to our January Virtual LEGO Club. Today we're going to be making a cute little snowman out of Legos. In your kits, you have one orange 2x3 Lego. You've got 2 of these little 1x2 black ones, 3 2x2 black ones, and 4 2x4 black ones, 6 2x2 white ones. You'll have 10 2x3 white ones, and then 13 of these big 2x4 white blocks. So the first row is 2x6, so you just need one of these square ones and one of the 2x4s, and just set them next to each other. Then the row on top is 2x8, so you need 2 of your 2x4 ones, and you'll stick them on like this. Then the third level is also going to be 2x8, but we're going to put one of these in the middle. So it'll go right there in the middle. This is going to be his buttons. And then 2 of your 2x3 white blocks. Okay, then the top one is, or the one on top of that is going to be 2x10. So you'll put 2 of your 2x4 white ones and then 1 of your white squares right in the middle. And then another row like that, but with a black one in the middle. And then another one just like the one below it. So another 2x10 with a white one. So you have 2 2x4 ones and then the 2x2 white one in the middle. So now we need to do the next layer with his button. So again, we'll put a black one in the middle, and then we'll take 2 of our 2x3 ones and put them on top. So it looks round, and then we'll finish the body with a 2x4 black, or 2x4 white block rather, right on top. So there's his body. And then we're gonna keep building up his head. So we'll take 2 of these 2x3 white blocks and put them right on top. And then we need to put his nose in there. So what we're gonna do is take our one orange piece and put it in sideways so that it sticks out for his little carrot nose. And then take 2 of your 2x3 white blocks and put them on either side. Okay, and then take your last 2 2x4 black, and put them, right on top like that. And then we're gonna add another 2x8 layer, but we're gonna put our little 1x2 black pieces in there. So it will be with the squares. So we'll put 1 square, and then 1 black piece, another square, another black piece, and our last square. And that is his eyes. And then take our last 2 2x3 white squares and put them on top. And then our last 2x4 white square and put that on the very top. So there's our little snowman, but he needs a hat now. So that's where our pieces, our 2x4 black pieces come in. So put one here and then one next to it to make the brim of his hat. And then stick our last 2 on top of each other, right in the middle. So there's his little top hat, and you see his little nose sticking out. So there is your snowman. Thank you for watching. Join us next month. We'll be making a Lego elephant.